Alright guys, welcome to my first video in the Painting Basics series. Today I will show you how to transfer paints to dropper bottles. Sorry guys for the poor quality, but this is my first video. The dropper bottles that you can see in the video were bought in bulk on a Chinese website. So the first thing to make the transferring easier was cutting the back plastic of the Citadel bottle to take the lid fully off. I don't like adding anything to the paint to make it flow better, I just pour it as it is. And this was the easy part.
You serious?
So this is an additional step that you don't need to do. It takes most of the time, but after most of the paint is transferred, I take an old brush and just scrape the rest out and transfer it with the brush to the dropper bottle until there is none left. I would really like to thank all of you for watching this video, and I promise to make them better with time and not finish only with this video. If you have any suggestions on future content, please let me know, because I would like to focus this series on the basics needed for any starting painter. So cheers guys and enjoy! Share, like and subscribe. It will help the channel grow. Thanks a lot guys. Bye!